power of 2 plus 1, the root 3, yes, sorry, 3 power of half, and this 2 half, and there the 4 power of half and 3 half. Simplify this. First we can write this is root 2 plus 1, and this we can write root 3 plus root 2, this power, and this we can write the root 3. And we know the formula: a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b, and there is or is plus, and so minus is not gain, so we can write there root 2 1, and conjugated we can write 2 minus 1, and so multiply above root 2 minus 1, this is cut, so 1, so this is the similar, and there is root 3 and root 2, and there is root 3 minus root 2, and so above root 3 minus root 2 you can write, and there is 4 plus root 3, and so 4 minus root 3, and there is 4 of minus 3, because they are similar, this, and now there is root 2 1, and this is the a and this is the b, so 2 square minus 1 square, there is root 3, and there is the 3 square is root 2 square, and there is the 4 root 3, there is the 4 square and root 3 square, and now there is root 2 1, and this is 2 square is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, and there is 3 2, 3 square is 3 and minus 2, so there is 1, and 4 root 3, 4 square is 4, 4 root 2 square, root cut, so 4, and there is 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1, so here root 2 1 and root 3 is root 2 plus, and 4 root 2 is we can write the 2, and there is root 3, so root 3 cut, plus minus, there is cut, and there is plus 2, there is minus 1, so plus 2 and minus 1, so value is 1, so this simplified value is 1. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.